In this video, I'm going to talk to you very quickly about pinning a post in Microsoft Teams. So you can see here I'm in the LinkedIn articles channel and I'm in the post tab, and there's a bit of conversation going on between me and a couple of guests within the team. A couple of new tabs being added and all sorts of great stuff. So let's imagine that one of these posts here are something that I want anyone who I add to the channel to read. Maybe this is a channel about a project that was just started and we're going to bring more and more people into the channel, or a couple of people might have been away for a while. A newish function is the ability to pin a post. So I'm going to show you how to do that and then just explain where that lands and how useful that can be to share information and quick updates in your channel to whoever's in that channel, and then obviously anyone else who joins that channel after it's been created. So I'm going to look at this quick conversation here, and when I hover over it and click on it, I've got my reactions and I've also got 3 dots where I can do all sorts of great stuff. And one of the new things towards the bottom that have been added is pin. And if I just click on pin, I can see pin this message. The message will be pinned for everyone who views the channel. I'm going to click on pin. It's just give me a warning. And you'll see I've got a little green pin icon now. So this is what I want everyone who comes into this channel to read first. It might be an introduction, some instructions, some ways of working, or some new updates and some new processes. The message could have been a link, a video, a little bit of text, some numbers, anything that you want to share and put a real focus on within that channel and people who are in and coming into that channel. And to see that, and this is something that you're going to want to get everyone to have a look at, is just up the top in the right hand corner. I've got a little eye, a little information circle, and that's where this information will be held. And this is something that you're probably going to want to come in and you want to make sure everyone else knows they need to also come into the information channel and see if there is anything useful going on. So when you do look in the information, you can see any channel descriptions. I haven't added one on this one yet. I can see members and recent contributions. And then I can see that pinned post. So even if loads of conversations have happened since, whoever needs to can always come into this information panel and access that pinned post and see that information really easily instead of scrolling all the way through loads of conversation. And you can also see any updates that have been made to the channel, including changing the channel's name below as well. So make sure yourself and everyone else knows to come and click on the eye to see any updated information and keep up to date with those key important messages in the channel. And it's a great way of sharing certain things and putting a focus on certain things within individual channels.